Hi. Did you know that 83% of people find websites with Google reviews on their landing page trustworthy? Doesn't that make you want to do the same for your website? Let's see how you can embed these Google reviews directly on your website and turn visitors into customers for life. Go to Tagbox widget and start your 14 days free trial. Sign up using your Google, LinkedIn, or Facebook account, or you can also sign up manually by filling out your details. After signing up, select where you want to use your widget and get started. Verify your email for authentication. Once verified, it's time to explore Tagbox's app. We simplified content aggregation into 3 simple steps: select the source, add content, and publish. You can collect content from 15+ platforms. Here we will select Google Reviews. You can add reviews by simply writing the location's name. Or, you can connect your GMB account and add reviews directly from your Google Business account. Here we will add reviews by writing the location name. Choose your location from the drop-down menu, then click Next to proceed. Your Google reviews are successfully added to your widget. Now before publishing it, let's make your feed relevant by moderating and customizing it. Filter out your widget by removing unwanted reviews from the moderation panel. Once you are done, go to the design panel to make your widget look more appealing. Pick the theme that matches your website's look and vibe the most. After selecting the theme of your choice, you can personalize it to suit your preferences. This means adjusting the background color, adding a banner, modifying the review card, and activating extra features like auto-update, post shuffling, custom CSS, and more. You're also free to play around with details like animation speed, column count, etc. Once you are done with all the customization, your widget is now ready to get published. Select where you want to publish your widget, be it on the web page, hashtag campaigns, email campaigns, or tag-based widget. Here we will publish it on web pages. Choose your preferred CMS platform and follow the steps. The easiest way is to copy the embed code and paste it to the back end of your website. Save the changes. Congratulations! Your reviews widget has been successfully embedded on your web page. Now, your website visitors can easily view authentic Google reviews from your consumers right on your site. Furthermore, all your upcoming reviews will be collected in your moderation panel. Be sure to activate moderation from the Manage Feed panel so that incoming reviews are collected in the private section of your moderation panel. From there, you can manually choose which reviews should appear on your widget. Moreover, you have the option to add an on-site review upload button to your widget. Simply go to the Add Feed section and select a snap-up. Customize the snap-up preview to your liking. Then, navigate to the Publish option and select a web pages. A button, along with a QR code, will appear on your widget. Design the button to match your style preferences and click on the Publish button. Your snap-up button is now live on your wall. Anyone can upload their reviews by clicking the button or scanning the QR code with their smartphones. All you need to do is make them public by heading to the moderation panel. Hopefully, this video has helped you understand how to embed Google reviews on your website. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us or connect with our CMS team anytime.